Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your SteamTools no internet connection. If you're facing that problem, what you have to do is simply launch your Steam and select Steam itself. In here, select settings, and you're going to have to clear the cache. So scroll below, you will see clear download cache. Select clear and then confirm your action. Now as you do that, close this, go to your library, check for the installed games. If you see that the games are no longer played, then you may go ahead and remove it. Once you do that, close your Steam and make sure it is also quit from this bar right here. If you see Steam, right click onto it, select exit. Press Windows and R. You will see a dialog box like this. Here type in %local app data %. Once done, you will see a file manager being opened up. Select anywhere, then type in T. You will see temp folder. Double click onto it, select everything that you can and delete it. These are the temporary files which will be generated again. So delete this. For the things or files you cannot delete, you may go ahead and skip it. Once you do all this, restart your device, launch your Steam again, and it will fix your problem. And don't forget to confirm that your Wi-Fi connection is very strong as well.